we'll guide you through how to create a LUT for DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you have your project set up with the footage you want to work on. Go to the color page, which is represented by the palette icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your clips displayed in the timeline at the bottom and the viewer in the center. Select the clip you want to create a LUT for by clicking on it in the timeline. Now, you can start grading your footage using the various color correction tools available, such as the color wheels, curves, and primary color correction tools located on the right side of the interface. Adjust the colors, contrast, and saturation until you achieve the desired look. Once you're satisfied with your color grade, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Export, followed by 3D LUT. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your LUT, such as .cube or .dat, which are commonly used formats. Choose the location where you want to save your LUT and give it a name that will help you identify it later. Click Save, and DaVinci Resolve will export the LUT to your chosen location. You can now use this LUT in DaVinci Resolve or import it into other editing software that supports LUTs to apply the same color grading to other projects. Remember, creating a LUT can be a great way to save time by applying a consistent look across multiple clips or projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.